Water that is coming to me, guys. Touching the floor, it's very scary actually. You have a boat that got stuck and can't enter in the tunnel. Let's be careful. So here we have the water and it's almost touching my feet. Very scary. And the guy there. Hi, hi, hi. You're not scared. He's taking a risk. You see a lot of water, people getting scared. Me too, I'm getting scared to see that. Hope it's only water, not mixed with some poo and urines. For now it doesn't smell bad. But yeah, I think I will go to another place. It's scaring here.